In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb put together and show you a number of its different meanings. The phrasal verb put together can mean to assemble or join different parts of something or different people to create a single item or group with a single purpose. If you buy some flat pack furniture from a Swedish store, you might ask, "Would you mind giving me some help to put this wardrobe together?" If you are trying to get a group of people together to make a team, for example, you could say, "I'm trying to put a football team together to play in the league." You might take something apart in order to fix it. "I think I have solved the problem here. Now I have to put it all back together and see if it works." Or you might be making a meal for your friends. "I'm just going to put a few things together that I have in the kitchen. It won't take me long." Put together can also mean to gather a group of people or things, usually to help with organization or efficiency. You could be organizing a number of objects that share a similar trait. "I think we should put all of the vegetarian food together so people can find it easily." A librarian has finished organizing some of the book collections. "I put together all of the books published after 1999. They should be easier to find now." Or you might be deciding the pros and cons of grouping things in a certain way. If we put all the game development people together with people from other departments, there might be more opportunities for our entire team to share their skills. You can also use put together to describe the act of creating something, such as a book, a plan, or a product. Your boss has some new staff, and he wants to be able to teach them easily how things are done in the company. "I need your team to put together a document which will explain to new employees how to run the brainstorming sessions." At a meeting, a group decide that they need a new strategy to increase productivity. "We need to put together a plan with actionable steps for each department." You might be in a meeting telling the CEO about something that's in development. "Our research and development team have put a new product together that I think you will really like." Or maybe your boss asks you to come up with a projected cost for the company's services. "I'd like you to put an estimate together for the clients you brought on board last week. They are keen to do business with us." So, to sum up, put together can mean to assemble or join different parts of something or different people to create a single item or group, like putting furniture together or "I'm putting a team together." To gather a group of people or things usually to help with organization or efficiency, like put all the same products together in one area. To create something, such as a book, a plan, or a product. For example, put together a manual or put a training course together. Don't forget to like or comment on our video. For downloadable comics and mind maps, write-ups, and more, visit EnglishLogica.com and join our growing community of English learners.